The 2026 BMW M4 GTR is not just a high-performance coupe. It's a statement of what BMW's M division is capable of when the limits are pushed. Every line, every sound, and every curve of this car screams precision, aggression, and purpose. Right from the first glance, it's clear that the GTR badge isn't for show. It's a track-inspired monster wrapped in a street-legal body. The design is more extreme than the standard M4, with wider fenders, a deeper front splitter, and aggressive side skirts that all work to enhance downforce and airflow. The massive rear diffuser and functional dual-plane carbon fiber wing leaf, no question about this car's performance intent. Up front, the kidney grills remain bold and unmistakably BMW, but the blacked-out treatment and sharper detailing give it a more menacing look. The GTR sits lower, wider, and looks ready to pounce, even when parked. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 GTR features a heavily tuned version of the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine found in the M4 competition. Now pushing out a brutal 580 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque, this engine delivers instant throttle response and a savage pull through every gear. The power is channeled through an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, with optimized ratios and shift mapping for track-focused driving. BMW also offers a 6-speed manual version for purists, which is a rare and welcome option in this level of performance. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.1 seconds, but more impressive is how the GTR feels on the move. It's sharp, angry, and precise.
The adaptive M suspension is recalibrated for even more rigidity and responsiveness, while a specially tuned limited-slip differential helps the car stay composed even during aggressive cornering at high speeds. On the road or on the track, the
handling is where the M4 GTR truly shines. BMW has put a lot of work into making this car feel agile and planted, without sacrificing everyday usability. The steering is laser-focused and incredibly direct, giving you a true sense of connection with the front wheels. The chassis balance is nearly perfect, and thanks to a stripped-down weight-saving strategy that includes a carbon fiber roof, hood, and trunk, the car feels light on its feet. Even the rear seats have been deleted in favor of a carbon rear brace to add rigidity, shaving valuable pounds for those who care more about apexes than passengers. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, virtually eliminating fade even after repeated track laps. Whether you're charging into corners or flying down a straight, the GTR remains composed and confident. Inside the M4 GTR, the cabin is a driver-focused space that doesn't forget the luxury that BMW is known for. Bucket-style M carbon seats hold you tightly in place and are trimmed in Alcantara and leather, with contrast stitching and GTR branding etched in for flair. The dashboard is a mix of race car minimalism and high-tech function. The 12.3-inch Inside digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch infotainment display run on BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. There's wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time telemetry for track days, and even an M drift analyzer for those who like to push the car to its limits and study the results. Soundproofing is reduced slightly to amplify the engine and exhaust note, which is a glorious symphony of turbocharged fury. The quad titanium exhaust system sounds raw and mechanical, especially in Sport Plus mode, where every shift is met with a crack and pop that makes your heart race. Ambient lighting and premium materials still remind you that this is a BMW, not a stripped-down race car. But make no mistake, this interior is built around performance. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M4 GTR doesn't come cheap, but it's priced competitively in the high-performance coupe segment. The base price starts at around $108,000, and with optional carbon packs, upgraded wheels, and the carbon ceramic brakes, it can push north of $120,000. For what you're getting, a limited production, track-ready performance machine with daily drivability, it's hard to argue with the value. BMW plans to produce the GTR in limited numbers, making it even more desirable for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The 2026 M4 GTR isn't just another variant in the M lineup. It's a true homage to BMW's motorsport roots. It's raw, aggressive, and engineered with purpose. For those who crave something more extreme than the standard M4 but still want the refinement and badge prestige of a BMW, this is it. It doesn't just meet expectations, it rewrites them. This car isn't about comfort or compromise. It's about delivering an experience, and it delivers hard. If you ever dreamed of owning a car that feels like a street-legal touring car racer, this is that dream.